know if you can hear it in my throat, but we've had some air problems, we think. And we're getting some, what did you call that?
Allergies?
Allergies.
I don't know.
We don't know. Both of us have something like in our throats. So we went out the Saturday before Black Friday.
The Saturday after.
The Saturday after Black Friday. And we have the Neverchange Shark, which is the same brand as Ninja. A lot of people don't know that. They are the same thing. 1,400 square feet this is supposed to cover. It's got a thing that tells you your air quality in your room. It does odor, and we've seen some reviews, and they are amazing. And we are going to unbox this baby.
It is on Amazon a deal right now, so we'll link.
Yeah, it's on sale. Can you come look at this? See that? It tells you what it's got in there. It's got this, it's got the filter, and it's got an odor piece that comes with it. And this is supposed to last, it says never change, but it says 5 years. There's the odor piece, the quick start guide. There is, the cord is stuck up in there. Grab the bag, lift it up. Now, there is a 1,300 square feet model. We upped it to the 1,400 because it's white. I don't know what the difference is. This thing's pretty big.
100 square foot.
Well, I don't know what the difference is because they look like the exact same model. Why this one will do 100 square feet more is what I was trying to get at. But do not power on, turn upside down, remove HEPA filter from plastic before you do this. It says right here.
So we need to turn it upside down.
And someone was complaining about that. So we got some tape. And it says unlock and lock up here. Can you show them that right there? You see
So you're just going to twist it.
Yeah. You got to remove this tape first. But we was figuring this was $220 after our rebates and credit card thing. Yeah, it's in a plastic thing inside.
Definitely don't want to turn it on like that.
Yeah. It's a big filter. This is like a filter you see out of a piece of equipment. I used to service backhoes and stuff and dozers. And this is about the size of the filter. Right here. Just depending on what you was messing with. So, it says Shark on there. It looks like everything's the same. So we're just going to stick it back in there. And there's a little
tab so you can.
No, I don't think that matters. I don't know. I think that's all good. Let's make sure. And then I don't think it matters how it goes back in there either. There we go. That was easy. Okay. Turn it back over.
Uh-oh.
You know what I did?
Oh, you turned it.
I turned it on
Okay.
the thing. So you could do this and take it out.
Now you got the cord stuck in it.
Okay. That's funny.
It's still not right.
What ain't right? It's right. It's in there.
It's hanging.
What's hanging?
There you go.
There you go. Okay. So we can take this off now. You are recording, right?
Mm-hmm. I think the FedEx person's coming, so I'm prepared for the dogs to freak out.
And someone else was complaining because theirs had a big sticker on here. And this one doesn't.
Mm-mm.
But it shows you the good, fair, and
I cannot
poor.
wait to see what ours says.
I can't wait either. Because we watched one. I was looking at the reviews. I always love to look at the Amazon reviews. And 20% was their air quality. It's supposed to be like 99, 98 or whatever. 100. Theirs was at 20. And he said it took like 20. I may screenshot it and show it. But that was amazing to me. Okay, let's... I don't know what this does. Let's kind of take this out.
Maybe you should open the instructions.
No, I don't want to. I want to play with it. So you take these out. I know this. I know this right here.
If you have a spouse that refuses to look at the
I
instructions,
will look at them. I will read them.
Comment below.
Front and back. Front and back. But look at that. So this is what makes your filter last longer. This is a pre-filter. Goes down in here. You clean it out. We don't know how often you clean it out yet. We're going to figure that out. But you could maybe wipe this off, rinse it off, whatever. And then goes in here. There's 2 of them. Right here. This is what's going to catch most of the stuff to make that filter last longer. And that's a HEPA filter. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Okay, quick start guide. My wife wants me to look at this. I don't care. I think we've already figured the whole thing out.
Well, you've got to put that
Uh,
smelly part on.
well, I think the smelly thing probably goes on top. It says blah, 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 everything we've already did. Remove the sticker. Insert Odor Neutralizer technology cartridge. It says 3-inch minimum from a wall. And that's pretty much it. And there's a scan here. Full instructions. I don't think there's an app for this. I don't see why you
Maybe
would
it
need
takes
one.
you to a YouTube video on how to do it. That's what they do with the coffee maker that we got.
Yeah, so here is the... Man, I can smell it. Can you smell it already?
What's it smell like? Oh, yeah. Nice.
So
Wonder how long that lasts.
there's a little indicator here and an indicator on here. So we're just going to put this in here and twist until we figure out... Oh, I bet this goes up like that. See that? It helps you twist. Twist. Oh, you just put it in like that. Oh, okay. This is the... We just popped it open.
And you can do like the level.
Yeah, the level it looks like. Plus and minus. So we put it in there with the arrow. I twisted it a little bit. So I'm gonna keep it on a low setting. Maybe right there to begin with. And then we'll see how that goes. All right. We'll get this plugged in. Show you what our air quality is.
Uh-oh.
Okay, there's settings. It's loading up. It's saying auto, and that's what I think we want it on. So I'm gonna see. I could push auto. So it's on auto.
Let's get the instructions and see how to do the air quality test.
Well, it looks like...
Oh, it went down to 99. Oh.
Let's just start now. So let's do max. Let's see what happens. So it's got light settings, it's got a time setting, it's got a lock setting, there's a filter setting. When the air purifier power is on, it will begin to analyze the quality of the air. After a few seconds, the air purifier will display the current air quality.
So it'll do it automatically on its own.
Yeah. So do we
just have to let it run.
Do we have perfect air?
I seriously doubt it.
Because we was watching a lot of these people and they had, they was not 100. I don't know. It doesn't really say how long. So it says run on auto air. Fan speeds will adjust automatically as air quality decreases.
So do auto instead of the number 5.
And then you can optimize.
And it will, maybe that'll tell us.
Well, I think the air quality shows no matter what you have it on.
Oh.
I mean, I'm going to be upset if we have good air already. But we will say this. We do have 3 pets. We've got a cat and 2 dogs. And you guys know how cats are. But we do have air purifiers in the house already. Do you still have one out in your...
There's just one going right now.
There's just one going.
And it's in this room. So maybe it'll take it a little bit. We'll see.
Yeah. We'll see. I'm sad. I was wanting 50.
We'll keep you posted.
We'll keep you posted. I want 50, to start. And then go to 100. I don't want 100 to start off with. That's crazy. All right, we'll get back with you here in a little bit. Hopefully that drops to at least 90 or something. I mean, this thing's at 100. Look at that. There's the levels. 99. It's dirty air. 98. I know. 97.
Why is it just not
Can you push pause? 96. It's figuring it out. I'm so happy. Are you happy that we have bad air?
I guess.
I feel like it's working. Oh, it's going back up. Ooh. Ooh.
I wonder if it's because I've got the oven on.
I bet it is. She just turned the oven on. What, probably
I've got
3 minutes ago. And now this thing is changing. And see how this says. Look at it. It's fixing the air from the oven. This thing is down to 74%. This is awesome. You know, she doesn't like it.
It's just funny that he wants to have bad air.
I want to have bad air so I can prove that this thing works. And she has turned the stove on, and the stove is running. And it's putting all this bad stuff in the air, and this thing knows. This thing knows that we put the stove on. Look at that. We've had good air, 100% good air. And look at this. This is amazing. I am impressed with this. This is so great. There's Penny. Wow. Look at this. This is just...
Well, I opened the oven door just now.
She just opened the oven door and this thing knows this. I love the information. I love knowing that my air quality is going down to 43%, 42, 40, 39. Look at this. Oh my gosh, babe. It's 29. It is cranking down. 23, 22. This is amazing. She opened the door, and look how it went up to like 42, and now it's going back down. It's been about an hour since we had it going, after she cooks some food, and there it's changing to blue a little bit, if you can see that. 85%. It's amazing. Worried about this not getting off of 100 because we had too clean of air. No, it's at 55% and it keeps moving up and down. If you walk into a room, open a door, an outside door, it changes all the time. This thing is so cool. We will see if we can get the air clean in our house. We may have to close some doors just to do like a few rooms, but when the heat kicks on, I mean, this thing is crazy. All right, we made it back to 100%. And what we had to do is I had to shut our 2 of the bedroom doors. And it's made it to 100, so I think we're gonna have to put those in those rooms and do them in there. I mean, this is crazy. This thing is working so good. I want a couple more of them.